Us opening scene host, H. Hello, geography enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of obscure and utterly useless geographical facts that will leave you both amazed and amused. I'm your host, your name, and welcome to our channel where we explore the quirkiest side of geography. Let's get started with our top 10 useless geographical facts. Cue upbeat music and transition to Factor 1. Factor 1. H. Did you know that the smallest country in the world is Vatican City? Covering just 0.2 square miles, it's the tiniest sovereign state globally, yet packed with history and significance. Show visuals and interesting shots of Vatican City. Cue transition to Fact number 2. Fact number 2. H. Greenland isn't as green as you might think. Despite its name, this massive island is primarily covered in ice and snow. Talk about an ironic name choice. Show visuals of Greenland's icy landscapes. Cue transition to Fact 3. Fact 3. H. Ever heard of San Marino? It's the world's oldest republic and one of the smallest countries in Europe. Yet, it's managed to survive for over 1,700 years. Show visuals of San Marino and its historical landmarks. Cue transition to Fact 4. Fact 4. H. Now get this. Canada has the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 280 kilometers. That's like going around the Earth 5 times. Talk about an extensive stretch of land and water. Show visuals of Canada's beautiful coastline. Cue transition to Fact 5. Fact 5. H. Have you ever wondered where the driest place on Earth is? It's the Atacama Desert in Chile. Some parts of this desert haven't seen rain for centuries. Show visuals of the Atacama Desert. Cue transition to Fact 6. Fact 6. H. You might know about the Great Wall of China, but have you heard of the Great Hedge of India? Built during the British Raj, it was a 2,300-mile-long thorny hedge to deter smuggling. Talk about a prickly situation. Show visuals of the Great Hedge of India. Cue transition to Fact 7. Fact 7. H. The world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela, plunging a staggering 979 meters. That's more than twice the height of the Empire State Building. Show visuals of Angel Falls. Cue transition to Factor 8. Factor 8. H. In the United States, you can find a place called Hell, located in Michigan. It might not be as fiery as the name suggests, but it's certainly an attention grabber. Show visual. Cue transition to Fact 9. Fact number 9. H. Did you know that Africa and Europe are separated by only 14.3 kilometers at the narrowest point? This narrow strip of water is called the Strait of Gibraltar. Show visuals of the Strait of Gibraltar. Cue transition to Fact 10. Fact 10. H. Our final fact. Liechtenstein, a tiny European country, is so small that it's been accidentally invaded not once but twice. Now, that's a country with a unique claim to fame.